Fatima from Standard 9A.
Got a privilege for anchoring in this technology fair.
As we all are aware why we are gathered here, yes, for the technology fair. First of all, I want to introduce you about technology fair. It's a branch of engineering and computer science that involves the conception, design, manufacture, and operation of robots.
ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فأغنى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العظيم.
Or a power of speaking, oral communication, ability to express one's thought and emotion by speech, sound, thoughts and emotion about technology is going to present by Ms. Nashra Fatima from Standard 7B.
To one and all present here. Myself Nashra Fatima Zubair Ahmed from Standard 7B. Today I am here to discuss a topic that has profoundly impacted our life, that is the computer. Its invention has revolutionized almost every aspect of daily life. As a powerful tool, computers bring both advantages and disadvantages. So let's discuss a few of them. One of the most significant advantages of computer is its ability to process and store vast amount of information quickly and efficiently. Data can be calculated more accurately. The work that once took hours or even days to complete can now be accomplished in a matter of minutes. Additional advantage can be seen of worldwide easy connectivity with the help of internet. Some examples of communication tools are emails, instant messaging, video conferencing, and social media platforms. This connectivity has not only helped personal relations but also revolutionized industries such as education and healthcare. Students can explore vast amount of information online. Medical patients can get medical consultation at their homes. Moreover, computers have opened up many new ways for leisure and entertainment. Streaming services, online games, digital content are endless options for relaxation and enjoyment. However, these advantages come with their own set of disadvantages. One of the most concerned is data security and privacy. As we totally rely more on computer, our data easily becomes vulnerable to hackers and the cyber attacks. Though there are many cyber security measures taken, it still remains a significant challenge. An additional disadvantage can be seen on physical health. Prolonged screen time can cause issues such as eye strain and poor eyesight. Nowadays, these problems can largely be seen in children and adolescents who are spending increasing amount of time on mobile and other digital devices. Balancing screen time and encouraging them for outdoor activities is crucial for maintaining overall health. In conclusion, we can say that computers have transformed our world, bringing about numerous advantages for making life easy. By managing, understanding and thinking, we can overcome the disadvantages of computer and let the country and the world grow in the right direction of innovation and development. Thank you.
अरे भाई बड़े उदास दिखाई दे रहे हो, ऐसा क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं यार, बस एक ही चिंता खाए जा रहे हैं कि मेरा क्या होगा।
अच्छा, ये भी कोई उदास होने की बात है क्या?
तुम मेरी बात समझे नहीं। मेरे कहने का मतलब है, इतना पढ़ने के बाद भी मैं बेरोजगार हूँ। पता नहीं मेरा गुजारा कैसे होगा।
तुम्हारी बात सही है, पर मेरा मानना है कि अगर किसी में काबिलियत है तो वह कुछ भी कर सकता है।
अरे भाई, यही तो समस्या है। आज कुछ भी करो तो लाखों रुपयों की जरूरत होती है, इतना पैसा भी तो नहीं है ना।
देख भाई, सियाने लोग कहते हैं जहाँ कहा है वहाँ राह भी है।
ऐसी बातें सुनने में ही अच्छी लगती है।
ऐसा नहीं है, आजकल उन्नत संसाधनों ने सब कुछ संभव कर दिया है। प्रतिभाशाली लोग टेक्नोलॉजी का सहारा लेते हुए उन्नत होते जा रहे हैं।
मैं तुम्हारी बात समझा नहीं।
तो आओ, मैं तुम्हें कुछ ऐसे ही लोगों से मिलवाता हूँ।
चलो। प्यारे साथियों, आपकी फसल चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको कपास के रोगों के बारे में बताऊंगा। इसमें पहला रोग कर्ल रोग है। यह मिथुन वायरस के कारण होता है। आपने मेरे चैनल पर पहले भी बहुत से वीडियो देखे होंगे जिनसे आपको जानकारी उपलब्ध हुई है। आशा है आपको वह जानकारी फायदेमंद लगी। मुझे ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहिए। मैं ज़रूरी जानकारी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी डालता हूँ, आप वहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं। और हाँ, मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। अरे अभिषेक, आज खेतों में कैसे आना हुआ?
आज मैं अपने मित्र को आपसे मिलवाने लाया हूँ। आप इसे अपनी सफलता का राज बताइए।
इसमें बताना क्या है? जिस चीज में आपकी रुचि है, जो आपको आता है, उसे दूसरों को भी बताइए। अगर आपकी जानकारी सही है और वह और लोगों के लिए उपयोगी है तो बस फिर आपका काम चल निकला।
भाई अभिषेक, इन्होंने तो अपने बड़े लड़के को भी ऐसा व्यापार करवा दिया कि हींग लगे न फिर गरीब हो रही।
अरे बेटा, आज तो तुम कोचिंग के लिए जाने वाले थे।
पिताजी, मैं गया तो था,
फिर क्या हुआ?
होना क्या था, ट्यूशन फीस, हॉस्टल फीस इतनी अधिक थी कि पूछो मत।
बेटे, फीस तो लगती ही है।
लगती तो है, लेकिन पैसे वसूल भी तो हो। अगर मुझे वहाँ पढ़ना पड़ा तो मुझे आधार कार्ड की जगह उधार कार्ड बनवाना पड़ेगा।
तो अब क्या सोचा है?
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एक लैपटॉप ले लूँ।
उससे क्या होगा?
होगा ये कि मैं ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन भी ले लूँगा और अपना कोई काम भी कर दूँगा।
शाबाश, जैसा तुम्हें अच्छा लगे वैसा कर। चलो, अब तो घर चलने का वक्त हो गया है। वहाँ जाकर इत्मीनान से बातें करेंगे। अरे, अब लगे हाथों के खोलने का भी काम देख लिया जाए।
मुझे चलिए।
सेठ जी, मैं अमेज़न से आया हूँ।
अच्छा जी, आपका यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ?
सेठ जी, मैं साड़ियों का ऑर्डर लेकर आया हूँ।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल, मैं आपका ही इंतजार कर रहा था। यह लीजिए।
सेठ जी, आपके सामान की डिमांड तो दिनों दिन बढ़ती ही जा रही है।
सब टेक्नोलॉजी की माया है।
सेठ जी, आपका सामान सही और गुणवत्ता युक्त होता है।
तभी तो मेरे सामान की डिमांड दिनों दिन बढ़ती ही जा रही है। अरे अभिषेक जी, आप हमारे यहाँ?
आज मैं अपने मित्र को आपका काम दिखाने के लिए चलाया।
सेठ जी, आप मुझे यह बताइए कि आपको यह काम करते हुए कितना समय हो गया?
यही 2 साल से कर रहा हूँ।
इसमें पैसा भी बहुत लगा होगा।
जी, मैंने सरकार से लोन लिया है और अब इस टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से मैं अपना काम घर बैठे ही कर रहा हूँ।
पिताजी, मैं आप सबके लिए खाना लगवा दूँ क्या?
अरे नहीं भाई, खाना तो हम सुबह ही खाकर आए हैं।
बेटा, क्या तुमने ग्रुप डी का फॉर्म भर दिया? मैं तो भरने का तक नहीं भरा। अरे, आज तो इसकी लास्ट डेट है। मैंने तुमसे कितनी बार कहा है कि ऐसी चीजें समय समय पर देखते रहा करो। पिताजी, गलती हो गई, आगे ऐसा ना होगा।
सही, मैं तो तुम अब भी कर सकते हो।
जी, फॉर्म भरने के लिए शहर जाना होगा।
अरे भाई, इंटरनेट और कब काम आएगा? तुम यूट्यूब पर जाकर फॉर्म भरना सीख लो।
जी, मैं अभी देखता हूँ।
एक्सपर्ट गुरुजी चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको ग्रुप डी का फॉर्म भरना सिखाऊंगा। सबसे पहले गवर्नमेंट जॉब साइट पर जाएं।
मैंने फॉर्म भरना सीख लिया।
ये हुई ना बात। हाँ, सुनो मेरी एक और बात। एक बार ठंडू के गांव में पुलिस आ गई। खंडू ने पुलिस को कभी देखा नहीं था, इसलिए वह भागकर टीकर के ऊपर चढ़ गया। पुलिस को शक हुआ, वह उसके पीछे भागी। दरोगा बोला, अरे ऊपर क्या कर रहे हो? खंडू ने कहा कि बेर ढूंढ रहा हूँ। दरोगा बोला, टीकर के ऊपर कहाँ से बेर लगते हैं? खंडू ने कहा कि डर में एक दो तो मिल ही जाता है।
मैं तुम्हारी बात समझ गया, चाहे डर हो या कुछ पाने की लगन, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाता है। समय कहना यही हुआ, टेक्नोलॉजी सबका अधिकार।
Calculator, a small electronic machine used for calculating figures, is going to present by Sara Syed from Standard 6B.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a calculator, device that performs arithmetic operation on numbers. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Washing machine. It's a machine designed to launder clothing. Modern day home appliances use electronics to automatically clean clothes. The presentation of washing machine is going to present by Muhammad Omar from Standard 6D.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a washing machine designed to washing clothes. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Fan, a machine with parts that turn around very quickly to create a current of cool or warm air. The manifestation of fan is going to present by Zunaira Aman from Standard 7th B.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a fan. My work gives to air. My flow is a clockwise direction. Thank you.
Thank you. Magnetic radiation that can be perceived by the human eye. And this pageant is going to presented by Asmed Z from Standard 6C.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a light. My work is to lighting surround you. Thank you.
Robot. It's a machine that works automatically and can do some tasks that a human can do. This product is going to present by Abuza from Standard 6C.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a robot. I have artificial intelligence stored in my chip. I work on battery. I can walk, talk, dance, and fight too. Thank you.
A grinding machine or point shortened grinder is a power tool used for grinding. This bleeding is going to present by Zinira Ansari from Standard 7th B.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you know who am I? I am a grinder. You can grind anything in meal like spices, buttermilk and much more. Just add some banana, sugar and milk. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. It's ready. Enjoy your milkshake. Thank you.
Mobile, a modified operation by Integration Limited Energy, is going to present by Aisha Fatima from Standard 6B.
I am a telephone. My uses communication tool or connect people to talk. Thank you.
Computer, a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulates it for some result based on program, software or sequence of instructions on how data is to be processed is going to present by Ariba Zarnan from Standard 7th B.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a computer. My work to perform too much work in less and less time. Thank you.
Thanks a lot to all the participants of Fancy Dress. Next step towards debate.
Everyone gathered here today. I am Sufia Sadar from class 8A here to deliver a speech on technology, which has taken a tremendous role in our day-to-day life. We all are in a generation where everything depends on technology. Technology has become the major parts of our day-to-day life. So let's talk about the role of technology in modern society. Technology has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate, from smartphones and social media to artificial intelligence and automotive. But what is the implication of this technological revolution? How it is changing our society, life and works? These are the questions I will explore with you today. Firstly, technology has made our life more easier and convenient with just a few clicks. We can access information from all over the world, communicate with each other in real time, and shop online. This has made our life more efficient and productive. Secondly, technology has transformed the way we work with the rise of remote work and digital communication. People can work from anywhere in the world. This has led to increase in flexibility and work-life balance. But technology also had negative effects on our society. Social media has been linked to increase the rate of depression, anxiety, as well as cyberbullying. In conclusion, technology has a profound impact on our society. While it has many benefits, but we must be aware of its negative effects and work to mitigate them. Thank you.
Presented by the intellectual students of Standard 9. Section A, favors of modern inventions. Section B, favors of old inventions.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Farazin Kaisar from class 9th A. Welcome to everyone to today's debate in the topic of technology, born or bane. We have two speakers, one arguing for advantages and the other one for disadvantages of technology. Let's start as advantages. Speaker 1, you have the floor. Speaker 1, Fatima.
The technology helps us to perform several tasks in less time and it saves our lot of time. Therefore, we can do several tasks with technology. If there is no technology, we cannot do anything in an easier and faster way.
What is your opinion, Adina?
But excessive use of smartphones, social media and other digital technologies can lead to behavioral addiction and negative impact on mental health and human interactions.
Speaker 2, Ashna.
Technology gives new ideas and creative solutions. It has made work and life easy for human beings.
What is your view, Zoya?
But prolonged screen time can contribute to our physical, mental and social health. This is not good for our health.
Speaker 3, Aisha.
Technology automates time process, allowing businesses and individuals to utilize more in less time.
What do you say, Zunara?
Okay, but technology and AI can replace human jobs, leading to unemployment and economic disruption. Technology or social media can decrease in self-esteem and happiness. Technology can be vulnerable to hacking, cyber attacks and data breaches.
Speaker 4, Aisha.
The internet has vast amount of information readily available to people researching problem and solving capacity.
What do you say, Aisha?
But what about mental health? Mental health that concern exists technology use as well lead to increase anxiety, depression and other mental issues.
Speaker 5, Zunara.
Biotechnology and technology help us to create crops with special features. These features include resistance to drought and pests, as well as improved nutrition value. These crops grow faster, produce higher yield and are more resilient to challenges.
What do you think? What do you think, Sofia?
But by altering their genes, it can lead to unequal proportion of protein in them, causing sickness as well as death. Now please don't tell me it is not harmful enough.
Speaker 6, Aisha.
The internet and digital databases provide vast amount of information readily available to anyone with an internet connection. This democratization of knowledge supports education, research and research.
What is your view, Zubia?
But we depended on technology. Overreliance on technology can lead sometimes due to its critical thinking, skills and activity. It's important to find balance between using technology as a tool and engaging in activities that stimulate independent thinking and imagination. Thank you.
Speaker 7, Afsana.
Technology advancement in medical equipment, treatment, and telemedicine improve diagnosis accuracy. Treatment effectiveness, patient care outcomes is also enabled. Remote monitoring to patient care access to medical expertise globally. Most robotic surgery are performed with small incision, reducing pain, blood loss, and recovery time for patients compared to traditional open surgeries.
What do you think?
But excessive screen time has been linked to increased anxiety, stress and depression. Heavy use of social media can decrease self-esteem
system and an increased risk of developing mental health. Thank you.
Speaker 8, Asfa.
Robot can be very accurate than human. That's why robots are used in the manufacturing of microelectronics.
What is your opinion, Zara?
Okay, but now robots have replaced by humans and workers have lost their jobs. If we think robots with practical applications and their maintenance, this is expensive and their maintenance is also. Thank you.
Speaker 9, Afshin.
The result of technology communication is now easily accessible. With the use of technology, you can complete many tasks on a single click, including making calls, sending messages, texts. Technology helps us improve all communication channels. If you miss your long-distance friends, cousins, relatives, you are not required to write them letters. Call them on a camera to get feeling proximity.
What is your opinion, Janera?
All this is fine, but what about the addiction of social media, computer games, messaging and decreasing of face-to-face interaction? Due to technology, bad people get an opportunity to blackmail each other. Robbery is increasing day by day due to technology. The constant arrival of notification and some social media apps distract us from our goals, and the technology has full power to distract us from our goals.
In this way, we have completed all the points which were in favor or opposed. Now, the conclusion of all the things have two aspects, positive as well as negative. But we have always in the side of positive aspects. Thank you.
Respected management members, respected HMM, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I want to talk about revolution that is changing our world, robotics. Robotics is no longer just a science fiction concept, but a reality that is transforming industries, healthcare and our daily lives. From assembly lines to surgical rooms, robots are increasing efficiency, accuracy and productivity. They are help us explore space, monitor climate and even assist in disasters. Robotics is also improving healthcare, enabling precise surgeries and even providing emotional support. Moreover, robots are becoming our companion. Moreover, robots are becoming our companion, help us household chores and even providing emotional support. However, with great powers comes great responsibility. We must ensure that robots are designed with safety, ethic and human values in mind. As we move forward, let us harness the potential of robotics to create a better future for all. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself, Husna Siddiqui from class 9th A, got an opportunity to present a vote of thanks in Technology Fair program. Today, on the behalf of entire UNIC family, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has bestowed us as a part of it. Special thanks to our management members for taking their precious time out and consenting to be the attendees. Hearty thanks to our HM Sumaira Rahat ma'am who had guided us how to organize the program. I extended my sincere thanks to in-charge teacher Ms. Sabia Shadab and Ms. Maria Firdaus who has worked hard for the success of this program. Exclusive thanks to participants who gave their best. Thanks all of you. Last but not the least, teaching and non-teaching staff. Thanks for your valuable contribution. Now it's time to wind up the program. Allah Hafiz.